To some cricket news now, Sri Lanka progressed to 173 for 4 at stumps on day 2 of the 4-day warm-up match against the West Indies Select 11 at the Coolidge Cricket Ground on Friday. This in reply to the Select 11's 205 all-out on day 1. Resuming the day on 38 for 1, the visitors made slow but steady progress. Nishan Madushka, who started the day on 25, was eventually dismissed for 46. Dinesh Chandimal was the top scorer for the day, making a patient 54 from 118 balls. Now, captain Dhananjaya Da Silva contributed 34 runs. Kimo Paul, with 2 for 48, led the bowling for the West Indies' Select 11. The Sri Lankans are getting ready for the first test against the West Indies, which bowls off on June 25. Now, Team Bahamas were the Caribbean Cup champions at the second staging of the CBA Jamaica Dragon Boat Festival held in Port Royal, with over 50 races contested. Details in this report.
Official teams from the more experienced Bahamas and Trinidad and Tobago competed against Jamaica for the Caribbean Cup. Bahamas, with a superior time of 1 minute 06.24, won the championship race over Trinidad and Tobago 1 minute 11.59, while Jamaica was a third in 1 minute 15.07.
Great event down here in Jamaica. We enjoyed seeing the Jamaican team up with us, and so we decided to come see them. It's been a great event, and we hope to be back next year.
The highest placed Jamaican team in the open category Division A were the Chinese Embassy in Jamaica, who were third behind winners, Bahama Boys and Girls of the Bahamas, while the Vanguards of Trinidad and Tobago were second. The Vanguards won the mixed category Division A, while JDF Wave Riders, who were joint overall winners last year, had to settle for second, and Mackay Security ended third.
We have to thank the Chinese Benevolent Association for accepting us in the competition. We are a new team. Actually, May 15th was 1 year, and only actually 14 of us came. We did 13 races. I must say it was really, really fantastic.
The other A final, the women's category, went to Hydra over Port Royal Blazers and the Generals. That race featured only Jamaican teams.
Our women are strong. Just like all Jamaican women, we're strong women, so we went for the goal and we got it. This tournament will be on the calendar for years to come. This is our second year doing it, and we intend to continue, and we work well as a team, so I don't think they'll be splitting up.
We're looking forward to have international teams from North America, from Florida, from, and also from Canada, and maybe even as far as away from New Zealand. Okay, we're looking for attract those teams to come to Jamaica and participate. And also, importantly, we want to take the sport to this cultural event, this competition, to the next level.
54 races were completed in the competition. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.